newly elected Minister of State for HRD, Ram Shankar Katharia, has found himself in the midst of a major controversy with a 2010 case alleging Katharia forging his graduation mark sheet coming to light. Although the minister has outrightly rubbished the allegations, the issue has triggered a political storm, with opposition parties attacking the Modi government for inducting an allegedly tainted minister in the cabinet. Aditi is joining us for more. Aditi, of course, Mr. Katharia, they're rubbishing those claims and saying that there has been no forgery involved in his graduation mark sheet. But the point is, the issue has been raised. It's out in the open now.
We have with us the MOS HRD, Mr. Ram Shankar Katharia. Katharia ji, we have been seeing some reports which have been coming out regarding your mark sheets, the forged mark sheets. In fact, this is a very serious case because this case is coming up even in the Allahabad High Court in November this year.
Not serious matter. हमारे जो लोकसभा का चुनाव लड़े थे कुंवर चंद बसपा के प्रत्याशी थे, उन्होंने एक फर्जी कागजों को तैयार करके और एक रजिस्ट्रार के फर्जी कागज पर साइन की फोटोकॉपी करा के, और वो कागज उनकी सरकार थी, वही कागज लगा करके एक थाने में प्रेशर बना करके और उस पर एक मुकदमा करा दिया मेरे खिलाफ। लेकिन उसी रजिस्ट्रार ने उसी पत्र को कहा कि हमारे यहाँ से वो पत्र जारी नहीं हुआ, ये पूरी तरह फर्जी है, और ये लिख करके मेरे पास उसका प्रूफ है।
कथेरिया जी, अगर ये फर्जी होता तो फिर 4 साल से ये केस पेंडिंग नहीं होता। कोर्ट इसको क्यों इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देती? चार्जशीट भी फाइल हो चुकी है इस मैटर में। अगर ये फर्जी होती
नहीं हुई, चार्जशीट नहीं हुई, नहीं कोई नहीं हुई।
तो जो इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने इसकी हियरिंग रखी है उसका क्या?
इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट नहीं, यहीं पर है। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट में नहीं, यहीं पर है।
26 तारीख को है, आप अग्री करते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
और उसमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स में क्लियरली दिख भी रहा है कहाँ पे फॉर्जिंग हो रखी है। ओरिजिनल मार्कशीट्स जो फॉर्ज मार्कशीट्स हैं उनसे कंपेयर होकर, तो किस बेसिस पे आप बोल सकते हैं कि ये दीज आर नॉट ट्रू एंड ये गलत कॉपीज हैं?
बसपा की सरकार ने, शिक्षा मंत्री ने, कानपुर यूनिवर्सिटी ने, उत्तर प्रदेश के गवर्नर ने, कमिश्नर ने, डीएम ने 6 जांच होकर के आ चुकी है। उसकी मेरे पास कॉपी है।
आपके पास कॉपी है कि उन्होंने आपको क्लीन शीट दे रखा है?
कॉपी ले लीजिए ना पूरा।
तो एक सेकेंड, मेरा सवाल पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अगर 26 नवंबर को जो आपकी हियरिंग है, अगर उसमें आप गिल्टी प्रूवन होते हैं, आपको भी पता है कि 7 years मैक्सिमम इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो सकती है रिगार्डिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट प्रोबेबली यू माइट बी टेकन अवे फ्रॉम योर मिनिस्ट्रियल पोस्ट एज वेल।
ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं, मेरे पास सारे प्रूफ है, प्रूफ ले लीजिए आप।
प्रूफ लेकर सर, पर आप एक बात बताइए, इफ यू आर प्रूवन गिल्टी सर, डू यू थिंक यू स्टिल डिजर्व टू बी सिटिंग ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ द MOS HRD?
सेवन
But despite that fact, do you think you deserve to be sitting on the post of MOS HRD, sir?
अरे ये तो आप जांचें आ गई सारी।
तो क्या वो आप हमको डॉक्यूमेंट दे सकते हैं which prove you?
आप बैठिए, विद प्रूफ अभी आधा घंटे।
Do you think if you are proven?
जी अनिल श्रीवास्तव जी।
But do you think if you are proven guilty, you deserve to be sitting at the post of the MOS HRD?
अभी प्रूफ।
And sir, this is not the only case. There are about more than 20 cases against you, sir. There are more than 20 cases against you, sir.
अरे प्रूफ लीजिए आप।
But there are more than 20 cases against you, sir, apart from this as well.
पब्लिक के केस हैं, मैं तो और लड़ूंगा पब्लिक की लड़ाई, लड़ता रहूंगा। पब्लिक की कोई चोरी की नहीं है, डकैती की नहीं है, पब्लिक की है, धरना प्रदर्शन की है। 24 नहीं है, उसमें 5 वापस हो गए, 6 खत्म हो गए, केवल 10 बचे हैं। ये 24 उस समय के जब मैंने नामांकन किया था, पब्लिक के सड़क पर लड़ाई लड़ी पब्लिक की, और जो आप उसकी कह रहे हैं मार्कशीट की, उसके प्रूफ है, कागज लेके जाइए।
MOS HRD, don't you think it will send out the wrong message? आप HRD MOS हैं, उसके बाद what will the students see? Because we've already seen the HRD minister in such controversy. Now the MOS HRD also being in such controversy.
पेपर लीजिए आप, उनका पेपर दे दीजिए, कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है।
So clearly, Mr. Ram Shankar Katharia being on the defensive, he's putting the entire blame on the rival BSP candidate at this point of time. Clearly saying that all the case that has generated because of these forged mark sheets are untrue and are baseless. With video journalist Sachin Rawat, this is Aditya Natharanan in Agra for Times Now.
Yes, like we have been telling you, the newly elected Minister of State for HRD, Ram Shankar Katharia, has found himself in the midst of a major controversy with a 2010 case alleging that Katharia forged his graduation mark sheet That has now come to light. Although the minister has outrightly rubbished those allegations, which you also just heard, the issue has triggered a political storm, with opposition parties attacking the Modi government for inducting an allegedly tainted minister in the cabinet. And you heard Ram Shankar Kataria there talking to our reporter, saying that he has been targeted politically, that there is a rival candidate of the BSP who has in fact produced these documents to show that he had faked his graduation mark sheet. And Aditi tells us that the case is pending in the Allahabad High Court. There's a hearing coming up on the 24th of November. And if found guilty, he could face an imprisonment of 7 years. In fact, there are not just one, several other cases against him, apparently 24 cases. But Mr. Kataria, they're rubbishing those cases and saying that most of them have been withdrawn, some of them are over, and it is only because he's fighting the people's battle that he has those cases against him. Ram Shankar Kataria, MOS HRD, is in the middle of a controversy now. It is alleged that he had forged his graduation mark sheet. There's a case in the Allahabad High Court against him. Let's go across to Aditi. Aditi, you were trying to speak to MOS HRD Ram Shankar Kataria there, and he rubbished most of those cases, and particularly this case of him forging his mark sheet. He has an entire theory about how he has been politically targeted by a political adversary.
Absolutely. In fact, he is right now trying to play a victim out here at the hands of the BSP government, which was there in Uttar Pradesh. In fact, as we just heard him also clarify that it was his rival BSP candidate who actually forged the documents, got a registrar's signature unlawfully, and submitted the documents in the court. In fact, he also goes on to say that it was the pressure that was put by the BSP candidate on the police in Uttar Pradesh as well, who actually went ahead to file a case against Ram Shankar Kataria. Clearly, he has been blaming the opposition for it. He has been blaming the BSP for it. Even right now, when we tried to speak to him about this mark sheet incident, he said that it is a politically motivated case. It is a plan to attack not only the BJP but also Ram Shankar Kataria. He said that he has had a long history of rivalry with the BSP candidate, and it is just a way of him to politically attack him. In fact, when we asked him about the various other cases, more than 20 cases have been filed against the MOS HRD Ram Shankar Kataria. He clearly has been on the defensive. He says that most of the cases have been rubbished away, and the other cases which are there, they are revolutionary cases. They were the cases when he was fighting for the people on the ground, and clearly he is not going to stop doing so. So he has been on the defensive. In fact, as we just heard, when we asked him that what if he is proven guilty, will he step down from the post of the MOS HRD, he continued. He got very angry. He got aggressive about it, and he said that what we were saying is false. So clearly, at this point of time, the blame game, the political war, as far as Ram Shankar Kataria has begun. He's been blaming the BSP government and the BSP candidate for this.
What are the facts in this case that we know as of now?
In fact, what we're getting to learn is that Kataria did not only forge one mark sheet but two mark sheets. In fact, the BA second year and also the MA second year. In fact, in MA second year, what is appalling is that in one subject of literature where he had just got 38 marks, he had forged it to become 72 marks. And similarly, in his BA second year mark sheet as well, in two subjects, one of the subjects he had got about 32 marks, which was raised up to 42. And in another subject where he had got 42, that was raised up to 53 marks. Clearly, in 2010, a charge sheet was filed by the rival BSP candidate in Agra itself. Now, Kataria has been defending himself, and so has the BJP defending itself by saying that it is a political row and it is a political attack made by the BSP just because they are not in power in Uttar Pradesh. But the fact remains that the latest hearing, the upcoming hearing in this matter, comes up to on the 26th of November in the Allahabad High Court. So really, there's little bit of saving that at this point of time Ram Shankar Kataria can do, or the Bharatiya Janata Party can do. In fact, what we're also learning from the BJP sources at this point of time is that they are going to try and avoid as much as possible this row. We have seen the HRD minister Smriti Irani also getting into such controversy regarding her bachelor's degree a couple of months back, and even at that point of time we have seen the BJP on the defensive saying that it's a politically motivated game. And even at this point of time we have been seeing that the BJP leaders are remaining absolutely tight-lipped about it. Ram Shankar Katheria again has been running away from the media on speaking about this, but the BJP and Ram Shankar Katheria will stand on this stance that it is a politically motivated attack by the BSP and there is no basic truth to it. But what will be interesting is to see what exactly comes up in the Allahabad High Court on the 26th of November, because the court will definitely not take up an issue without facts and figures.
Right. Aditi, in fact, the interesting thing is the entire top leadership of the BJP is attacking the Akhilesh government for, filing cases against BJP workers. Arun Jaitley himself saying that every BJP worker in UP has a case against him. But the seriousness of the issue lies in the fact that there has been a report against this BJP MP from Agra, Mr. Katharia, on cases related to murder and several other cases as well. So there has to be some smoke for this fire.
Absolutely. In fact, not just 1 or 2 or 10 cases. There are about 27 cases against the MOS HRD Ram Shankar Katheria. In fact, earlier as well, when this topic was raised as to how many criminal charges there are, many of the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party came out in defense saying that these were politically motivated charges and these were charges on the grounds of revolution that most of the BJP leaders had gone into. And as you rightly said, just a couple of days back, we saw Arun Jaitley as well coming out in defense for his minister, saying that under Akhilesh Yadav's government, mostly all the BJP leaders have some or the other cases slapped against him. But this particular case that we're talking about, forgery, Ram Shankar Katheria has been booked under section 420, and if he is proven guilty, then he might face an imprisonment of up to maximum 7 years, which clearly will mean that he will be out of the political scenario. So Ram Shankar Katheria really did not feel that this was such a big issue. Even right now, he is saying that it is not such a big deal. It is just a political attack by the BSP, and that's the reason why this entire case has been manipulated to directly attack him. But the fact remains that this is a case where there has been proof. There are the original affidavits, there are the forged mark sheets which have been submitted by the rival BSP candidate to the Allahabad High Court. The Allahabad High Court has set the next hearing on the 26th of November, where it will be decided whether or not Ram Shankar Katheria is guilty in this case or not. And if at all he is found guilty, he might just face 7 years of imprisonment and directly, completely out of the face of politics.